We've rescued thousands of cats since 2008. I can't give you an exact number, but we have rescued quite a few cats. One of the first cats that I rescued turned out to be my very own cat. It was Sebastian. I could never love anything more than that cat. He was my soulmate. He ended up dying years later from liver cancer, and it was the worst day of my life. I'm not going to ever not rescue cats because I'm afraid of losing them, because everyone's going to lose something someday, and I don't want them to live their life out on the street or at a shelter when we can do something to help them. Money is always an issue. The biggest expenses that we incur at the Cat Posse are veterinary bills. We work with a few different vets and we get discounts, but they're still very high. Our vet bills are close to $50,000 a year for your little legs. I literally beg every year. I will keep doing it if it helps to bring in more money for the cats.
Okay, yes. Thank you, Sharon.
Founding the rescue definitely has made a difference in many cats' lives. I would never have been able to help this many on my own as a civilian. And I've learned so much from these cats. I've learned not only medical things and how to take care of them and how to treat them, but I've also learned to be patient with them. When they trust you and they warm up to you after coming to us and acting like a feral cat, and it's the most rewarding feeling in the world.